Hello, I saw your discussion board on the question on discussion board. A scientist claims that pneumonia causes weight loss in mice. I guess they collected some data, I guess before and after they had pneumonia. The table shows the weight of 6 mice before infection and 2 days after. Is there enough evidence to support the claim? So you want to support the claim, and so you want the claim to be, you may want to go back to page 356 and read go back to page 356 and read a few pages about claims and supporting claims. But if you want to support the claims, it has to be the alternative hypothesis. So in this case, the claim, if you wish to support, it says support the claim. If you go back and read, it must be the alternative. So I guess what is the claim? Pneumonia causes weight loss in mice. So I guess use of D be the hypothesis mean of the difference in the weights before and after. So the weight, this part's gonna have to be greater than 0, because if you subtract the weight before minus the weight after, if they have weight loss, then that difference would be positive because they'll weigh less after than before. And so I guess they want you to support the claim, so that immediately tells you it's going to be the alternative hypothesis. And then they tell you this part here is what you want to support, so it's going to have to be greater than 0. And so that points me to this option. Hope that helps.